The first thing that we need to do when setting up a new hub is figure out how we want the hub to look to our users. The hub settings is where we do this. In the left-hand side menu, navigate to Configure, then Hub Settings. If your hub settings are already set up, meaning that you have a hub that has your logo inside of it, colors set, and options customized, you may want to skip ahead to creating channels or content. Links to those sections are below. The Look and Feel tab is where you manage the physical appearance of your hub. First, choose your IHUBApp colors by selecting the box and dragging the color selector around. Alternatively, if you know the hex code, you can type it here. Notice that any changes I make to this section display in the sample preview here. To see your accent color and menu text, click the menu button in the top left corner. Play around with these colors. Make sure the ones you choose are complementary to one another and easy for your users to look at and read. An example of a poor choice would be a combination of orange and a bright green. See how hard that is to read? Not good. Play around to find what looks best. Ask others for their opinion and help if needed. Remember, you can go back and change any of this at any time. Next, upload your IHUBApp logo. This logo will be displayed on emails sent out to your users and at the top of your IHUBApp. We recommend that you upload a version of your logo that is horizontal so that it fills up as much of the space as possible. This is a good time to talk about size. The size of your logo should be a minimum of 432 by 80 pixels. If you don't follow the recommended ratio, you'll find yourself needing to crop your logo, which is not good for brand representation. A high-quality image is preferable. Be sure that your logo is a transparent PNG image, not a JPEG image. Here's an example of what a logo that isn't transparent looks like in the IHUBApp. Notice the box it creates around the logo. If that's the look you're going for, then great. But if not, make sure it's a transparent PNG image so that your primary color comes through and acts as the background. That looks good. Finally, upload your IHUBApp icon. This is the icon that will be used when users save your IHUBApp to their mobile home screen. They'll also see this when loading into the hub. If viewing on a desktop, they'll see it as a favicon image here. For your changes to take effect in your hub, you need to save. To see the magic you created, select the My IHUBApp button in the top right corner of the builder. If you make changes and the hub is already open, you'll see an update icon in the top right of the hub. Select this update icon and then apply to see the changes take effect. Sometimes users will be on an older version of the hub, so they won't see the updated colors and logos. Prompt them to select the update button. If they don't have an update button, they can go to their profile info page, scroll down, and select the Update App button to update their hub to the latest version.